Hey, how you guys doing? Chin Trades, otherwise known as Luke. I got another trade recap. I recap this trade live, and I'll include that at like the end of, or if I like took the trade live, I'll include it at the end of this video. But I think it's important for me to recap it after the fact, after I've had some time to really think about what I did. So I lost $263 between three trades, and I'll break down what I did exactly. So, again, at the end of the video, you can see the whole thing, so I'm going to kind of just skim through this. But market open, ES came down to London lows, NQ came up to this high time frame high. We had this like SMT that was formed. My bias was bearish for the day, so I was trying to recapture this continuation of a move down, which the move does end up playing out, which is cool. So that's cool that I had that part right. But it's the way that I like executed it. That's the part that was bad. So this was the first trade that I took. It was really done in this low. I don't know why I had that so far down. So it was off a 1 minute move. So basically it was a 1 minute break of structure, right? But Fibonacci. So this was essentially after price on NQ had pushed up and already formed. Like this SMT up here. So we already, I guess we like manipulated these highs up here. You could say on NQ that was like our manipulation of the day. It wasn't on ES, which was true, but we're down here. We had a SMT as well that formed like super short time frame right here. ES leading index and the leading index for this mini SMT. So beautiful. This SMT actually, I think, did get played out since it's a 1 minute. We went down to this 1 minute low, so that's cool. Played out. But, just come down. We start to push down, actually, like, pretty far. Or, like, decently far for this move. I'm in profit at this point. Because I entered, like, right about here. I'm in profit, so I just put my stop down to break even. Because I didn't really want to risk a whole lot today. And I didn't want to be risky today. I don't know where that went later on, but yeah, I got stopped out, and then price just kind of chilled out here and consolidated. And what I did before this too, again, we're still like I was still super strong on this trade actually playing out. So right here, we come down, we essentially, like, where I entered was off of up here. I'm trying to figure out where I entered. I'm trying to figure out how I entered this. I'm trying to think. Well, watch the end of the trade recap, because this was not like I was just seeing ghosts out here today. I think what it was off of, yeah, it was this candle right here, because I was trying to recapture this move. We were already in, yeah, here's what it was. So this was equilibrium. We come up, we push an equilibrium, close it out at equilibrium. That's kind of what I was thinking, even though that we had Fibonacci, so I don't really know why I entered here. This is just a bad entry on my end, but I got stopped out. I had my stop initially right here, so I could have protected it better. And then price is moving, and we break 5 minute structure. Or not break 5 minute. We inverse this 5 minute fair value gap, so order flow is shifting, and I'm now trying to take longs, which my theory at the time was correct, actually. So we were right here. ES was getting primed to take out this high up here, and I was going to take a long, but did it on ES, not NQ. Sorry, this is NQ. NQ is prime to go. I couldn't find an entry right here because price just ripped. Like we didn't. There's nothing there, but we did go to the high, which is cool. So not cool because it's really against my bias, really short time frame. It just stupid risk today. And then I was trying to capture this trade coming down. I just didn't find anything. Would have or could have captured it off of this, but I don't know. Like, I've just been so in my head. Today was just a prime example of that. Like, I'm not at the point where I need to be. And I think a big reason for all these losses, and the majority of the losses that I've taken, is because I've been trying to do these really risky, stupid 1 minute moves. I have a 1 minute strategy. This is not my 1 minute strategy. This is me just trying to like, oh, I can predict where price is gonna go, but I'm not. I'm trying to force my entry, right? Like, I know where price is gonna go, right? Like, I do understand that, right? I might not understand every day, but at least I can understand moves like this. I can understand moves like this up to this high. I'm understanding where price wants to go, and when I'm not seeing my strategy unfold in front of me, I'm I'm trying to force something. I'm trying to create some like bullshit like this, right? This first trade, I don't know, not the best. I should have waited, right? I should have waited for equilibrium. If I would have waited for equilibrium, okay, we would have. Let me see. Where's Fibonacci? Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm tweaking right now. Like, if I would have waited for equilibrium on this first trade, oh shit, Fibonacci. We got, like, order flows disrespected. I'm not going to enter on here. I wouldn't have entered on here because, it would already have been disrespected. And then I would have waited. And then, okay, we broke structure right here. But there's no retrace. I would have waited, right? We come back up here. I probably would have entered up here, right? Like, maybe would have did something. It's just about waiting. Because what this is, I don't know if this is exactly equilibrium, but let's see. Yeah, it's not. And price was right here, but wouldn't have entered off of this, right? Because there wouldn't have been an entry, and then I wouldn't have entered off of this. I tried to enter off of this, but we inversed this fair value gap, and then I could enter off of something up here maybe. Let's see. Like, is there really anything? Break structure, come down. This fair value gap getting fill right here. Could have entered off of that, right? Like, this is where I guess the entry would have been, but at the same time, it's like I'm just trying to force something that's not there, and that's what's real. That's what's just been hurting me. I'm just trying to force stuff that's not there, and it's frustrating because I know how to do this, right? Like, I've went back to the trades that I've won. I've journaled everything. I have everything down. I have these videos where I explain it in depth. I'm not doing, like, I don't know. Like, no one's watching these. I'm well aware of that. I'm doing this for me. And it's right in front of my face. And I'm just not. It's just frustrating. And it's not that's like the market is shitty. Yeah, the market is shitty. Like, what is this price action? It's terrible. But I'm actively putting myself in a situation to risk money in this market, right? To risk money with this price action without maybe the best entries. So it's just, it is me. It's me. I have lost, to date with my futures account, like $2,000, a little more. And that's because of me. That's because of the stuff that I'm doing. Luckily, I've been smart with my risk. Right, like, I haven't been risking $1,000 every trade, or I've lost 100 trades, maybe not 100, but this is me. This is all because of me. It's really good to see this. I think what I need to really do right now to change and to become the trader that I am, and I need to be to take that next step, to take that next leap, is to just stick to the 5-minute strategy that I've been using. Every time that I've used my 5-minute strategy, or most of the times I've used my 5-minute strategy, probably 90%. I don't know. I can go back and check, and I probably will at some point. I'm profitable. I do not have a win using like this 1-minute dumb shit like this. I have a 1-minute strategy, and it works because it captures the 5-minute move. This is not my 1-minute strategy. My 1-minute strategy would happen up here. Like, look, so we're up here. We go sweep this high. Maybe there's something up here. Again, it's like, why am I looking? Boom, right here. Why am I entering right here? Or why would I enter right here? Because this is off a high time frame draw, right? Like this is off of, like I'm just entering to enter down here. There's no draw on liquidity, no draw. I'm choosing to enter, so it is really just me. Like these trades, terrible, all of them, and that's the truth. Sometimes I get lucky, sometimes I don't. But like there will be some amount of luck that goes into this. But most of it is going to be me putting myself in a situation where I'm able to get lucky. This is not a situation where I'm able to get lucky. It's not. It's simply not. So with that being said, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. If you guys want to see the full me doing this live and me just completely dying, yeah, it'll be literally here in a second. So I'll see you guys soon. We're going to stick to the high time frames, and I'm doing this shit. I don't care. Like, there's nothing that can stop me but here. And it's stopping me right now, but I'm fixing it. All right? So, I'll see you guys. Peace. Hey. Good morning. Let's see. What's up, guys? Chan Trades, otherwise known as Luke. We're going to try doing like the live recap again. 7:30 right now. So market just opened. Kind of have everything already marked out for the day. Really looking for some type of bearish move. Let me just mark this S&T real quick. Let's see, make sure we're in here. Basically London session manipulated Asian session, started to reverse. I'm just looking for some form of like manipulation, continuation. We also got a high time frame SMT between ES and NQ. I'll just turn this bullshit thing off. We'll pop the other count over here. Am I looking for a trade today? Probably not. It's Monday. We don't really have crazy news, but I mean, offer it, price. Price is moving. Like, it's not like it's not moving. 750. 50. Yeah, and we've already kind of, I don't know, we've already pushed on a lot where I guess the manipulation for the move that I wanted already happened off this S&T right here. So, I mean, we're still really early into the market, so like there's no need to shift anything, no need to panic, anything like that. What, did it come down to this low? Yeah, so we swept this low on both. So we're just kind of chilling right now. Damn, it's early. Yeah, I feel like I don't know where. Yeah, this is the move. Like we just shat the bed. It's okay though. Yeah, this week is gonna be interesting for news. We don't really have. I'll pull it over here. We don't really got anything today on importance, but we do have jolts tomorrow. We got PMI, which is kind of cooked. ISM, PMI, jobless claims. Oh, what? Employment rate, non-farm payroll. Yeah, we're not gonna be trading Friday. But I mean, price is moving today. At least I don't know. It's not moving too bad. I think what I would like to see, at least right now, we'll mark out this high. There's just so much on this screen. So this SMT already got filled, so we don't have to worry about it anymore. Already got, yeah, whatever the word is, the terminology. Okay. I mean, why the dude, that's the one thing I don't like. Sometimes it just forgets about a whole candle. Let's see. Okay, so right now, oh my gosh. So we've already kind of swept this low. I mean, we could definitely go down like further, which is good, but I don't know. This was kind of the move I already wanted, so I just want to. Oh my gosh. I'm just kind of watching like the 1 minute right now. If I'm going to execute off of anything, it might be off of like a 1 minute move up to like this 5 minute high, but I don't know. I mean, I think we'll come back up and do some more like manipulation for sure, but I don't really know. What am I trying to say? Yeah, I don't really know how valid an entry will be today. I don't know if there is a trade because this was really the move. Like what I should have done, which I couldn't have done, because look, it was closed. Was enter off of the Strat Value gap right here down to this low. Yeah, that would have been the move. We're already taking out London. Yeah, I don't know. I don't. Mm, not the biggest fan of that. I still got a long way to go. Dude, this price action just been so weird. Every single morning, right at market open, price doesn't manipulate. It just shits the bed, and then there's no manipulation. There's no like retrace. We do have an SMT, but not willing to enter because this would be the index I enter off of. Yeah, we're almost at this 5-minute high. Which... Dude, ES has just been printing so terribly. Oh my goodness. Yeah, we're not really, like, doing crazy. Equal high, almost. Never mind. Okay. So what I'm kind of looking at right now is probably no trade. I mean, what is this price action? This is just like, this is so shit. I think we're gonna take out London session lows. Where's that Asian? That's Asian. Yeah, no, that's London. My fault. Or take out London lows on. Yes, I think that's about to happen. On NQ, we're just chilling. So I don't know. What the fricky hecky is going on with these markets? This shit is crazy. What I would have loved to see is NQ take out this 5-minute high right here, and then maybe take some shorts down to, I don't know, somewhere down here. But holy voice crack! Ain't no way I just did that. Damn. But I could definitely see, I don't know, see some longs off of NQ. But we, dude, I don't even. Yeah, this shit is terrible. Okay. Cool, we got London. London on a trip. On a beat, hope. Yeah. Okay. Well, from here, I guess what I would love to see. Get any manipulation. Manipulation. Okay. Well, depending on what price does down here, kind of what order flow is doing, I don't really want to be taking this trade on ES because we are the lagging index. Oh my goshy. Oh my goshy. But really for this S&T, to play out fully, we got to come take out these high time frame highs up here. And on ES, that would most likely be this 5-minute. So maybe just trying to do like a 1-minute entry to this 5-minute high. That might be what I do today. We just gotta see how we react off of here. What does this look like? Why is it? Shit's crazy. I just don't like these trades on. Yes. Okay, so we just taking out that 5-minute high, which is honestly fine because we need to push a little higher for this SMT. Anyways, so we didn't. I think we fib that. Maybe we did. Okay, cool. Cool. This is looking Gucci. All right. All right. Okay. Gucci. So this SMT just played out. Let's kind of just see what price does up here. I'm thinking the trade is going to be on NQ. Even though it's the lagging. Let's see, this is really down here. So this SMT right here just played out on NQ. We took out this high time frame. Liquidity. Super quick. If I might add, that was kind of crazy. I guess what's possible right now is we just get a reversal out of this price range. If so, I'll be looking for that on the 5-minute since this SMT just got taken out. We don't necessarily need it to enter the trade, but I would love to have it. Or looking to short off of this initial move, maybe have price. Yeah. I guess this is. We might just be ripping. I don't really know. This is more of our manipulation. I'm just trying to. Dude, we're just rip it for no reason. Price doesn't have. Price shouldn't be doing this shit. This is kind of crazy. Letter to my brother. Letter to my brother. Letter to my brother. Howdy ho. Yeah, looks like there's no like 5-minute retrace at all. That's ass. That sucks. Yeah, I really want to see this shit just get. Not that this value gap even matters, since we already broke structure, but oh my gosh, bro, why is this shit so dumb? Why is this shit? Bro, what shit's so dumb? What the fuck? Why are we just ripping like this? Like, prices no. I guess that's our manipulation for the day. Not even really like a good 1 minute entry. It'd be off of this candle right here. And that's already. I mean, I guess, did this one fib? Did we fib? Do we fibby? Do we Fibonacci? Fibonacci. Oh, pause. Yeah. Mm. Oh, bro. Dude, price don't even know where it wanna go. What is this shit? I want to take the short on ES, but dude, we're not gonna come all the way down here like that shit, bro. What did I just do? It'd really just be down to this low right here, which is like you take it directly off of those shit. 300. That's not bad. We don't even need this one anymore. We don't need this one anymore. We don't need this one anymore. All right. And I don't know if this was too early. We did fib right here, which is nice. See, we respected the fib. I don't know. Honestly, like I feel like I don't. Let me just take it out of this, low-key, bro. Could see this being more of like a high time frame retrace. We have a big SMT. Bearish bias. I could definitely see NQ right now doing more of like a 5 minute retrace somewhere up into here. And what that would equate to would basically be this low on ES. That's why I entered where I entered. There's this fair value gap right here though. That's kind of ass. 1 minute. Stop. We're gonna go We're gonna go break even right now. I don't want to mess around today. I'm low-key not trying to do some fuck shit today, so we're going break even. We're just so far up here on NQ, and what ES is the lagging index, which is cool for this SMT. Yeah, we're gonna get stopped out, which is fine, but yeah, we're gonna get stopped out. That's true. Because I guess we're gonna keep ripping, so that's fine. So, luckily, break even is a thing, so that's cool. But I don't know, where is equilibrium? Right where we're at. We're at equilibrium, so yeah, we're gonna get stopped out. We're gonna keep ripping. Right, 3, 2, 1. Boom. 3, 2, 1. Stop out. Stop out. There we go. Yeah, we got stopped out. We made $8 today. Let's go. Cool. So made 8 buckaroonies. We're still like so far up here. This shit is kind of crazy. I really thought we were gonna get a deeper 5-minute retrace, but whatever. Dude, why these freaking candles be doing this shit? Pisses me off. Oh my gosh, it pisses me off. I don't see NQ taking out all-time highs right now. But maybe we do. Because if we take out all-time highs, we'll take out stuff right here. But I'd enter off of a more 5-minute move, which we didn't break structure, we didn't do anything like that, but we do have, don't have a rally gap right there. No SMT, but we inverse this. Cool, so now I want to enter. Do we inverse this? Yes. We're just gonna rip. We're just ripping today. I would have loved to catch a trade coming up, but It would really just be on a like NQ. Just be like this 1 minute move, which I guess would have been like right here, but I don't know. That was super early into today. Let's see. I like this candle. If we would have closed bearish on that, I really like that a lot. There's all these equal highs up here though. Like this shit wants to get taken out. Like this is just asking to get freaking blown through right now. Mega pause on that. What time is it? Almost 8. Depends where this candle closes. If we close bearish on this candle, 250, that's too much. We close at equilibrium, I'll enter, but we're not. Whatever. I do really feel like price. Okay, never mind. I'm stupid. I should not have entered. I should not have entered. Yeah. This is just should not have entered. Should not have entered where I entered. Because this shit wants to take this out. So fucking dumb. I don't know. That was super dumb on my end. I basically just kind of. No, okay, so I entered where I could have protected my stop a lot better, but there's all these equal highs, and price wanted them. Price wanted them. So I entered in a really, really bad spot. I mean, if I can get. I don't really know how much more I want to risk today. Because that was dumb. That was dumb. Could have like put it like in the middle of this. $200. Yeah, that was just I don't think I'm taking another trade today. Because I mean, I do really like this candle, but like, what is this risk? There is none. High quality setups. High quality. This, high quality. This, not high quality. So that's on me. For just being dumb. Is there a trade for me today? Let me take a step back and think. I want it being a short right now because we're gonna go down like right now. That's where we're going. We had our 5 minute. It's just so much. Ugh. Okay, that was really dumb. We needed to push into this confluence, and that was on me. That was dumb, but we're going to that low now. So after that, I don't think there's a trade. This was dumb. This was dumb. This was a premature entry. I could have put my stop up here, which is probably what I should have done, but then that would have been like so much in risk. It's not even worth it. Five-minute where we close it. Okay. I don't think price can do that, but how much is this? Market. But yeah. Really should have protected this stop better. Could have put it top of this for value gap. That's where I should have put it. Or I could have put it at the top of this one. Because we did need price to do that. Take out these highs. But at least my bias, though, I mean, we'll see. But, you know. It's really just consolidation down here. This shit is ugly. All right. Sorry, I'm just being quiet. I'm just thinking a lot right now. I mean, when's this candle gonna close? Can we just stay right here and then pop in and pop down? We'll see. So I was right about this little thing right here. I was just trying to get a retrace and then take it up to this high, but we're already like so far extended. SMTs suck. SMTs suck. Okay. I'm just going to see how the next few minutes develop with price action. If I get a favorable trade, I'm going to take one more kind of like smaller type deal today. And that's it. I don't like this. There's already like the biggest sell-off of the century going down right now. Yeah. This symbol. This symbol. And there's no retrace or anything. We can delete you. We don't need you anymore. Okay. Okay. So we've already come and swept out this really high time frame high. NQ has been moving strong. I don't know if NQ exactly wants to take out all-time highs though. Although NQ has been moving strong. If that's the case, if NQ does want to take out all-time high, ES will take out London. ES will not, most likely not take out all-time high, unless NQ just rips. So what I'm kind of looking at right now, and really looking for, I mean, can this close? This is dumb. Don't inverse this, please. Please don't inverse it. That would be coolio. Oh my gosh, we're gonna inverse this. Holy shit, what the fuck? Is it not? Let me do a stop loss or whatever. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm done. I'll recap. This is definitely on me. I'm just so dumb. Okay, today was bad. I started out really good, and then I just shit the bed. So that's cool. I need to do a lot of reflection, a lot of thought, but you know, it's okay. Like, I should not have taken a trade. If I would have, that's right, a market open. I don't like that, but could have. I don't know. Just done. There's a 5-minute entry. Yeah, I'm done. I'm stepping away. Alright. I'll see you guys. You guys are loved, and I'm obviously trading terribly today, so see you guys. Bye bye.